Oh wow. Stop.
Trying to hang out with you guys. How you doing?
Hello.
Raft. Oh no.
You right?
Yeah. Wow. Oh, imagine falling from there though. That would be so sad. It's a long journey for a little penguin.
I know, right?
Oh wow. Oh, jump. Do it. Oh. Oh, we're behind you. Do a limbo. Like how dramatic this whole place is. Oh. Maybe the deli had a one-night stand with the chin strap.
Ooh.
Yeah. This is beautiful. Oh, crazy. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Wow. Like it's so random, like huge mountains there. Like beautiful icebergs, and then there's like all flat and icy. Oh, sorry guys. Let's go left. I mean right. Right, yeah. Oh, right. Oh. They're so smelly. Uh-oh. Hold on. You can do it. So much traffic in Antarctica. It's the evening rush. Getting home for dinner. Yeah. Oh no. Hard right. That's beautiful. Oh. Let me grab my compass.
Yeah. Oh, really?